Welcome back to the Retro Tech Repair Shop. Today's item is a Star Wars full function radio controlled Millennium Falcon. I'm not sure what year this is at the moment. Purchase off of eBay is not working. The seller's description was simply, it doesn't work, I do not know why. So let's open it up and see if we can find out what the problem is. Remote control. Okay. Trademark Lucasfilms. Thinkway toys made in China. Okay, looks in nice condition. The remote control. Okay, let's open the battery covers up, have a look inside. Battery contacts are clean. There's to be a directional control here. Adjustment. Let's look at the remote control. Okay, that looks absolutely fine as well. No battery damage. Doesn't look like this toy's ever been used actually. Let's put some batteries in, give it a try. So 2 AA's and 4 AA's. Just check we got 6 volts or more. 6.15, good. Okay, it's got a switch on the bottom there, which is just about labelled on and off. Okay, we'll just check we've got 3 volts or more. Good. Okay, what controls have it got on it? Can't see a switch on the transmitter. Switch it on. Does it do anything? Forward, back, left and right. So the seller was correct, it's not doing anything at all. Right, shall I start with the Falcon itself or the transmitter? I think I'm going to open up the Falcon first and have a look inside that. Okay, what's that on the top? It's interesting. So look inside, didn't realise there's actually a switch on the top of it. Wonder if the person who tested it did what I did and didn't realise that. Okay, there's a little receiver circuit here for the remote. It's the aerial. And it goes through to a motor that drives this front wheel arrangement, and there's a drive motor on the rear wheel. So very simple. This is why you should always check the instructions. It does quite clearly say there's a wake button on here. It does say it's 2.4 gigahertz, so it doesn't work on off infrared, it works over radio frequencies. So let's put the batteries back in, and I'm going to give it another try, but let's use the wake button this time. Okay, let's switch it on. Okay, nothing at all. Okay, I'm going to take some voltage measurements around. Black from the power supply goes down to the power switch down here, and the live goes up to the wake. Okay. Let's measure the voltage first. Right, this is the battery compartment. Underneath all this glue they've got on the connections. 6 volts, right. That black one goes off to the switch down here. Switch in the off position. Nothing on the centre. And nothing on the far end connection. Put the switch on. Okay. Okay, with the switch in that position, that then puts the negative through onto the black and the green. Okay, the positive, however, goes up to the switch here, which apparently is the wake up switch. With that on negative, the positive should be there. Switch in this position, we have nothing going out on the red, nothing going out on the brown. So how can this work? This needs to be on. I'll bridge this out using a set of tweezers. Try the remote. Oh, something's happening. That's turning now. About the drive. Oh yeah. So the transmitter is transmitting. Turn that over. That's turning. This must limit the turn. Forward and back. So our issue is the switch up the top here. Let's see if we can have a close look at it. Okay, that's the little contact that moves up and down to make the circuit connections. I'm not sure this is driving across the tracks correctly. I'll rebuild it, see if I can get it to work again. The problem with the switch is that the copper element isn't holding in the right position on the carrier inside the switch, so I'm just going to need to glue this on into the carrier. Okay, switch is back together again now. Just test it. Okay, thank you. Lovely. Okay, let's put it back together again. Okay, it's time to give it a try. It's all working. Thanks for watching. See you next time.